In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a broadcast list in WhatsApp Business. A broadcast list lets you send the same message to multiple people at once while keeping each conversation private. Unlike a group, your recipients won't see one another and their replies come back to you as individual chats. This is perfect for announcements, promotions, event reminders, or quick updates to multiple clients without creating a group thread. Start by opening the WhatsApp Business app on your phone. Make sure you're in the business version with the storefront icon, since that's where the broadcast feature we're using lives. Once the app is open and you're on the main chat screen, look to the top right corner for the three-dot menu. Tap that and then choose New Broadcast. This opens a contact selection screen where you can choose everyone who should receive the message. Now select your contacts. If you're just practicing, it's fine to use placeholder or test entries so you can see how it works without messaging real customers. You can search by name to move faster, and you can select as many as you need. Keep in mind a key requirement. For a broadcast message to be delivered, each recipient must have your business number saved in their address book. If someone doesn't receive it, that's usually the reason. When you're happy with the selection, tap Create. You'll land in a new broadcast conversation. It looks a lot like a regular chat, but it represents a list. No one in the list can see who else is on it. Type your message in the box at the bottom and send. You can include emojis, links, photos, videos, or documents, just like any other WhatsApp message. Aim for a clear, concise note that explains the value up front. Think a short headline, the key detail or offer, and a simple call to action. After you send, each person receives it as if you messaged them individually. Any replies will show up in their one-on-one chat with you, not in the broadcast thread. That makes it easy to continue the conversation privately and track each client's response. The broadcast list you just created is saved, so you can reuse it next time without reselecting contacts. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Avoid over-messaging to keep your numbers from being muted or blocked. Always respect opt-ins, and consider segmenting lists so messages feel relevant. If delivery seems inconsistent, double-check that recipients have saved your number and that your internet connection is stable. That's it. Open WhatsApp Business, create a new broadcast, choose your contacts, and send a single message that reaches many one-on-one.